Are food sensitivity tests reliable?
Food sensitivity tests are everywhere online, promising quick answers for digestive issues, headaches, or fatigue. But how accurate are these claims? Many people hope these tests can guide them to better health, but it's important to separate scientific fact from marketing hype before spending money or changing your diet.
How do food sensitivity tests work?
Most popular food sensitivity tests analyze your blood for immune responses, usually by measuring IgG antibodies to various foods. Some kits require a finger prick blood sample sent to a lab, while others claim to detect reactions through hair or saliva. These methods are widely advertised as ways to uncover hidden food intolerances.
The science behind food intolerance testing.
Major medical organizations do not support IgG food sensitivity testing as accurate. IgG antibodies can simply indicate exposure to foods, not intolerance or allergy. There is insufficient scientific evidence linking IgG results to actual health problems like bloating, headaches, or fatigue. These tests are not considered diagnostic in evidence-based medicine.
What about food allergies?
True food allergies involve a different antibody, IgE, and can cause immediate, serious reactions. Reliable allergy testing uses carefully supervised methods like skin prick tests or specific IgE blood tests, administered by medical professionals. Food sensitivity kits sold online do not detect allergies and should not be relied upon for life-threatening conditions.
Should you use these tests?
Experts recommend caution when considering food sensitivity tests sold online. There's a risk of unnecessary food restriction, expense, and confusion. If you suspect a food intolerance or allergy, consult a qualified healthcare provider for an accurate diagnosis and safe recommendations, rather than relying on unproven commercial kits.